Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to update the operating system of a Jomox Xbase 09. If you press the 4 keys bass drum, snare drum, closed hi-hat and open hi-hat at the same time, the display will show you the current operating system version. In my case it is version 1.32. Disconnect the device from the power supply and take a screwdriver. Already programmed EEPROMs with the latest software version are available on well-known websites. Unscrew the 6 screws on the bottom and the 4 upper black screws from the 2 wooden side panels. By the way, older devices with an operating system version below 1.32 do not show the version on the display. If the last 4 digits of a device's serial number are below 0090, the processor must also be replaced. You can find more information on the Jomox website. After the screws are unscrewed, you can carefully remove the ground plate. Now take a flat screwdriver and remove the 2 EEPROMs. Then carefully place the new EEPROMs into the socket. Make sure that the one marked low is inserted at the top and the one marked high at the bottom. The notch on the EEPROMs must be on the same side as the notch on the socket. Now you can screw the unit back together and check if the current operating system works. I hope that you can now easily update your Xbase 09 by yourself using the video. Goodbye.